yeah, just enjoy your life, guys. Kapag pagod kayo, pag puro trabaho, gumala kayo, pakasaya kayo kahit sandali lang. And then, pahinga mo yun eh, tapos laban ulit. Tapos, pag napagod ka, pahinga ka ulit. Ganyan lang ang buhay. Happy, walang pera. Yes, masaya pag walang pera, walang stress. Pero bigyan niyo naman ako ng bagsak. Isa pa oh. Ako nalo. Come on. Prep girl. I'm done for today. Sana lang susapot. Okay. Yan. Bigyan din ako ng bangko.
I don't get to wanna get to know you. Let me run it down for you all night. Don't say never know. So call me Evie. Wanna be the man in my life, got me.
Dapat pa rin mamaya.